Hello guys. So in this video we will understand the insert statement. So we have seen previous create statement to create a new table. So to insert new data inside the table I will be using insert statement. So insert into statement. Okay, so using this insert into I'll be able to insert data inside my table. So to insert, this is used to insert data in the table. That is nothing but insert a record or a row, you can say. Okay, so the syntax, let us look at the syntax. The syntax is very simple. So it is insert into, then here I will give the table name. So that table name where I have to insert, and then I will say values. What are the values? I will specify within this bracket. So if I have 5 values, I'll be specifying 5 values inside this bracket. So I'll say val1, I'll say val2, val3, and so on. Okay, so this is the example for inserting. So let us look at that. So in previous video we created a table called as user, right, where we created user name, phone number, and city, right? So let's try to insert some record. So right now you can say it is written 0, there is 0 record inserted. Let's try to insert a record. So I'm going to say insert into, then I'm going to say table name user, and then I'm going to say values. So what are the values? First I'll say name, and then followed by phone number, right? So let me give some phone number, and then followed by city. So I'll say city Bangalore. So now if I run this, so you can see you have made changes to the database, one row affected. So now if I come back, see here, I have one data inserted. So let us try some other. Let me store another data also. From here I'm going to say Chennai. So now if I run this, so again it is going to say one row affected, and if I see here, you see two rows are added. So now to see the two rows, let me just click on this user. So you see I do have the rows here inserted. So you can see Aman, his phone number, and then Bangalore. So you can see using this insert you can insert some statement. Now for example, if I have to insert only name and phone number, I don't know city. So in that case what I have to do, I have to do little bit changes here. So I am to say insert into user, and then here I have to specify all the columns. So I'll be only giving name, and I will give phone number, and here I'll give name and phone number. I'm not going to give this. So if I run this, so you see one row affected, that is I have added only name and phone number. So if I just say insert into user, then I have to give all the columns. Now if I have to give only specific columns value, then I have to give the column name where I'm storing the value and the values here. So first Ram would be the name, phone number would be this. So now you see it is 3 records. If I click on this user, so you see I have my third record here, but you see because I've not given city, it will be null. So this is the example for your insert into statement to add a record or row inside your database.